you are welcome to today's class, and in today's class we'll be looking at our lowest common multiple, often denominated or often represented with the acronym LCM. Let's also be asked to find the LCM of 4 and 6. How do you find the LCM of 4 and 6? You can use the division method. We have to measure. You can use division method, or you can use your multiplication method. So if you want to use your division method, you write your 4, you write your 6, you put your line. So you think of two numbers that can divide 4 and 6 without a remainder, and there's also a prime number, which is 2. 2 can go in 4. How many times? That will be 2. 2 in 6, that will be how many times? That will be 3. Can you see now? So you move on. You can still get a number that you can divide. So you can see that 2 can go into how many times 1. But if you use 2 in 3, you are going to have what? A remainder. Because you are going to have a remainder, you will not touch it. You just write your 3, you move on. Now, what do? The next number that can divide 3 without a remainder, that will be 3. You just repeat your 1, and 3 in 3 is 1. So you stop when you get to 1 on 1. Now, your LCM will be what? Your LCM, you only write this part. That will be 2 times 2 times what? And 3. Can you see now? And you can express this in index form. That will be 2 raised to power how many? 1, 2. 2 raised to power 2 times 3. 2 raised to power 2 will be 1 times 3, and that will be what? That will be 12. That will be 12. So let's use the other method, 4 and 6. Let's use the multiplication method. You just write 4, 6 equals to 1 times 1 give you 4. That will be 2 times 2. 1 times 1 give you 6. 2 times 3. So the way you do is that you pick the number individually. 2. Where does 2 appears most? 2 appears most here twice. Where 2 appears here once. So you pick where it appears most. This one. So 2 appears twice. That is 2 raised to power 2 times 3 appears once. So you write your 3. What is 2 raised to power 2? That will be 4. And 4 times 3 is what? That will be 12. So let's solve a question that is a little bit tougher. Let's also ask to find the LCM of this number. We have to find the LCM of we have to find the LCM of 16, 24, and what? And 42. So let's use our division method. Just write out the number 16, put your line. 24, put your line. 42, put your line. So you think of a number as a prime number and it's a factor of all the 16, 24. So 2 is a factor of it. 2 can go in 16. 2 can go in 16. That will be what? 8. 2 in 24, that will be 12. 2 in 42, that will be what? 21. Then you look at it, you can still go in, so can you still go in any of the number without a remainder? Yes, 2 can go in 8 and 12. 2 in 8, that will be what? 4. 2 in 12, that will be 6. Can 2 go in 21? You use 2 to divide 21, it's going to go 10 remainder. We don't want remainder, so you put at 21. Yes, 2 can still go. 2 in 4, that will be 2. 2 in 6, that will be 3. 2 in 21, you still repeat your 21 because you don't want remainder. Now, 2 can still go in 2, that will be 1. 2 can still go in 3, to go 1 remainder. You don't want 1 of remainder, you just write your 3, write your 21. So after 2, what do? Let's go to 3 now, because 3 can go in this place. That will be 3. This one will be 1, this one will be 1, and 3 in 21, that will be 7. So the obvious one is to use 7, because 7, you see have another one. When you store when you have arrive at 1, 1, 1. So you now write LCM. You write those ones that you have on this one. That will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. 2 times 2. So what is 2 times 2? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is what? 16. So what is 16 times 3? 3 times 6 is what? 18. Keep 1. 3 times 1. Have 48. Then you have 48 times 7. What is 7 times 8? That will be 56. Keep your 5. 7 times 4, 28. 28 plus 5, that will be what? 33. So our final answer is 336. So let's use the other method, which is your multiplication method, to solve this out. So I'm going to wipe this one from the board so that we can use our multiplication method. So how do you use your multiplication method to do your LCM? The first step, write out your numbers. You have your 16, you 4, and you have your 42, right? So think of numbers that if you multiply with each other will give you 16. For example, 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 6 is 24. What about this one? 6 times 7 is 42. So what's the next thing? If you look at this 4 and 4, they are not prime numbers. So what times 4 to give you 4? That will be 2 times 2. Then you go to 2 times 2. You've done that. If you look at 4, what times 4 to give you 4? Because 4 is not a prime, that will be 2 times 2. Then what about 6? That will be 2 times 3. Now, if you look at this one, 6. 2 times 3 will give you 6. Why? You don't need to multiply because 6 is already a prime number. 2 appear most where? We're going to start with 2. 2 appear many times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it appears 1, 2, 3. Here it appears 1. So where it appears most, you pick it. So 2 raised to power 4 is where it appears most. How about 3? 3 appears once. That is 3. 3 appears once. So you have 3, right? Then you have your 7. What is 2 raised to power 4? What is 2 raised to power 4? That will be 16. That will be 16 times 3 times 7. We are writing our LCM. SCMs. Should have written SCM also. So 16 times 3, that will be 48. Why you have 48 times 7? 7 times 8 is 56. Keep your 5. 7 times 4, that will be 28. 28 will that be 336. So that's how to solve it using your multiplication method. So finally, we have come to the end of today's class. If you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. And do not forget to share and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.